to load the half and 1 liter HP EcoCarton ink cartridge in the HP PageWide XL printer series. To begin, use the front panel and click the ink button. This will take you to the ink cartridges tab. Then, press the replace button. When prompted, begin replacing the EcoCarton ink cartridge. Press the empty EcoCarton ink cartridge to release it, slide it out, and then place it aside. Shake the new EcoCarton ink cartridge 6 times. Insert the new EcoCarton ink cartridge into the empty slot and push it as far as it will go. When you have finished replacing the empty EcoCarton ink cartridge, go to the front panel and click Finish and Check. The EcoCarton ink cartridge is now installed and you can use the printer.